Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello, John.
Hello, Joyce.
And John and I are here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa, Florida, and we are about to enter our room. We booked a deluxe room with one of my comps, and to our surprise, when we got here, they let us know that they upgraded us for free to a gold suite. So this is a room that we've never stayed in before, so we thought we would share it with you. Here we are outside our suite. We are on the 12th floor, and our room number is 21201. And we have a doorbell. And there's a seal on the door to let us know that the room has been sanitized. And you just tap your card, the little green light to come on. And just inside the room to your immediate left is a powder room. And the decor in here is very pretty, very modern looking. There's your commode and your sink. I like the dark wood and the textured wallpaper, very pretty. A large lighted mirror, some nice amenities, and back out into the suite. Beautiful dark brown wood floors. And we have a little kitchenette area with a wet bar. And there's a Keurig maker. And over here we have coffee pods and all the fixins, a couple bottles of water, and a beautiful countertop space with a sink. There's some cups and an ice bucket. And there's storage below. I guess if you're gonna stay here for a while and have a party, you've got plenty of cabinet space, that's for sure. And this must be the refrigerator. It is. There's your fridge. So if we were gonna have a little bit of a get together or celebration in here, there's definitely the space and the needs that you would have for that. It's a very nice marble table with 4 chairs. Great for entertaining or sitting at and doing some work. There's a large screen TV. I would have to guess that that's about 60 inches. And the furniture in here is lovely. Very nice size sectional. There's a thermostat in the living room. And there's a second one in the bedroom. And floor to ceiling windows. Not the greatest view, but still beautiful for the light. And a very large bedroom door. That is such a wide door. There are light switches everywhere to control the lighting. Everything has an on-off switch and a dimmer. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like, and it helps out the channel significantly, and we appreciate it. And into the bedroom, there's a chaise, and again, those same floor to ceiling windows for some beautiful daylight, and a nice king size bed, 2 nightstands with a shelf and a drawer. There's an alarm clock, 2 regular US outlets. Oh, and 2 USB ports as well on this side. Push button lamp, some decorative pillows and some extra pillows. And at the foot of the bed, there's a very nice desk with 2 stools underneath. And again, another very large flat screen TV. Here is your cordless phone for the room and your thermostat. Next to the counter is your closet The light comes on when you open it. There are 2 waffle robes for us to use, a valet stand, a small chest of drawers. We have an iron and an ironing board, and there's an extra blanket. And they give you some bags for your laundry, dirty deeds, that's cute. And last but not least is the master bathroom. It's huge. Oh, before we go into the bathroom, over here on the wall, there's a full-length mirror. And, oh, that mirror lights up. Okay, very nice. Boy, that really brightened up the room. If you haven't done so already, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. You just hit subscribe below this video and turn on the notification bell. It's a free and easy way for you to support our channel. So if you're watching our videos and you like them, just hit that subscribe button. And again, into the bathroom, last but not least. To your immediate left, there's a vanity with a very large oval mirror and a lighted makeup mirror on it. There's a couple drawers in the vanity and a very nice comfortable chair. Right next to the vanity is your water closet. There's your commode and a double sink. 2 large lighted mirrors over each sink. There's your blow dryer in the corner. And we have rock spa amenities. There's a mending kit, some body lotion, a vanity kit, a shower cap, and a bar of soap. And the shower. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. What a large shower this is. Nice big bench and a lighted shelf and all kinds of switches in here. So one probably controls the hand and the other controls the stationary shower head. It's very pretty decor. I love the brown and cream. I love the light in there. Very nice. And across from that, a large soaking tub. Very nice. And you've got some additional amenities over here. A loofah, some bath crystals, and shower gel. And there's a pocket door for the bathroom. Very nice. I'm impressed. It's a lovely suite. Has everything you need and then some. Okay, guys, that does it for us for the full tour of the Gold Suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa. We thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.